I've watched thousands of creators sell digital products. The ones selling ebooks and how-to guides, it used to work. They could make thousands, but now they're struggling. But there's a small group doing something completely different, and they're making $2,000 to $7,000 a month. Now, nobody's talking about what they changed, but today, I am. I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree, the platform that lets you sell digital products with ease, grow your audience, even offer coaching. I've helped thousands of creators make their first sale online, and today, I want to show you how to make sales that actually last. So the first shift I have noticed, stop selling information, but start selling a transformation. So an information product that used to work would be, say, the complete guide to meal planning. 40 pages, maybe $17. The transformation product, the 7-day meal prep jumpstart. Overwhelmed to a full freezer in 1 weekend, $27. Now, same topic, but totally different product. The guide says, here's what to know. The jumpstart product says, here's where you will be in 7 days. Here's the real difference. When someone buys that guide, they're buying a book. When someone buys the Jumpstart, they're buying a version of themselves. The version who has it together, who has a full freezer, who isn't scrambling at 6 p.m. You're not selling a product. You're selling them in their future self. AI can't give that away for free. Here are other examples. Before, you would sell how to grow your Instagram. Today, sell 1,000 followers in 30 days. You used to sell how to start a budget. Today, sell the debt-free in 90 days playbook. See this pattern? It's a specific result, a specific time frame, starting point. So here's a prompt that does this for you. It's in the description below. Copy and paste it. I have experience in add your niche. My audience struggles with add the problem. Give me 5 digital product ideas that promise a specific transformation, not just information. Each one should include 1, a product name that states the result and time frame. 2, where the customer starts. This is their pain point. 3, where they end up. That's the specific outcome. 4, why someone would pay $27 to $47 for this instead of just Googling it or using AI. Make them specific, achievable, and something I could create in 1 afternoon. Now pause, run this prompt. Drop your best idea in the comments. I read all of them. I'll give you my honest feedback. Okay, here is shift 2. Please don't write an ebook. Build what I call a system. So the ebook might be how to plan your content calendar, 50 pages. Okay, the customer, though, has to read it, figure it out, apply it, and most never finish. The system would be the 30-day content calendar framework. Fill in 5 blanks, follow the decision tree, done for them calendar in 20 minutes. One makes the customer do the work, the other does it for them. And systems are actually easier to create. You don't need 50 pages, you need a framework. A system can be, say, a fillable PDF workbook, a template they could customize, a checklist, or maybe a decision tree, a spreadsheet, a swipe file with fill-in-the-blank frameworks. Here's the prompt to turn your idea into a system. It's also in the description below. I'm creating a digital product called Add Your Product Name. Instead of writing an ebook, help me design it as a fill-in-the-blank system. Include 1, what the customer fills in about their specific situation, maybe 3 to 5 inputs. 2, what the system gives them back, the personalized output. 3, the step-by-step framework. What does each page or section do? 4, how the customer gets to the promised result without reading more than 2 pages. Keep it simple, enough that I can build it in a Google Doc or Canva template in 1 afternoon. Now here is shift 3. This is really important, the one nobody talks about. AI can write an ebook. AI can build a template. AI can create a framework, but AI cannot be you. AI can't look at someone's business and say, okay, skip that, do this. AI can't bring your years of experience to their problem. AI can't make someone feel seen. That's what people pay the most for, not your product, you. So put yourself in everything you sell. And if AI scares you, once you make this shift, AI becomes your accelerator. It builds your templates faster, your frameworks in an afternoon, your sales pages in minutes. AI does the heavy lifting, but you just focus on being you. Here's how at every price point. This is your digital product ladder. The first rung, $27. Your system plus a personal touch, a monthly live Q&A, a voice note with your feedback. Your attention makes it special. Okay. Next rung, $47 to $97. Small group, maybe a 2-week workshop with 10 people. You review their work live. Scarcity plus access. Okay, rung 3, a $197 to $297 one-on-one. You get on Zoom, you look at their situation, you build their plan together. Someone buys your $27 product on Pinterest. They get a result. They think, hey, if this is her $27 product, imagine her actual help. Joins the workshop, books the call, signs up monthly. One customer, one relationship. Every step up has more of you because AI can make products. AI can't make you. Now, use the prompts. Create your first product. Please don't overthink it. Just make sure it promises your customer their future self and has a lot of you in it. And let me show you how easy this all is to set up and sell in MiloTree, the platform we built. So here I am in my MiloTree dashboard. I click this button that says digital download. I give it a name, a price, a short description. Right here in this box, I upload my PDF. MiloTree delivers it automatically to your customer. Now here's the best part. I click View Sales Page. AI generated my sales page in seconds. I tweak a few things. I connect my account to Stripe so I can get paid. And in 15 minutes, I have a sales page ready to accept payments. Now, no website, no tech headaches. I get a link to this sales page and I share it everywhere on Pinterest, in Facebook groups. I email it to my list, in my Instagram bio. I start free on MiloTree, no credit card. And the link is in the description. But our paid plans are literally $19 a month. And if you want to go faster, you could sign up for our Pro plan and you get a free setup call with me. I'll help you build your first product, your first sales page, and your launch plan live on Zoom together in an hour. Notice what I'm doing. I'm selling me because I didn't just build this awesome platform with my husband. I also help you win on it. Now, if you want to see how to turn one product into a full product stack, watch this video next. It's my best video ever.